I'm Gillian Clark. I'm a senior associate at Metcalfes Solicitors, and Maureen and Colin approached Metcalfes after the post-mortem had been carried out for Maureen's mother, and they discovered that the cause of death was spinal cord compression from a fracture that hadn't been picked up initially. What we do at Metcalfes is we can offer representation at an inquest, and that's something families often want because it can be quite a daunting process. It's a legal process, essentially, to investigate the cause of death, but families are often asked to represent themselves and don't really know what's involved.
One of our sons-in-law, who had once been a chiropractitioner, had heard of the firm of solicitors named Metcalfes, who dealt with cases such as we were experiencing. And during the next few days, we had interviews and conversations with them, found them to be very sympathetic, very helpful, not a bit intrusive, and took a great weight and great strain out of our lives at a very difficult period for us.
We investigated the allegations that were being made, which was essentially that there'd been a real presumption that, particularly because of Mrs. Whitney's age, that she'd had a stroke without really thinking about what the circumstances that had gone on. And that can be something that happens quite a lot with elderly people being treated in the NHS, is that presumptions are made just on their age alone.
Having had Metcalfes as a resource and a help, it seemed like we had a very powerful and sympathetic ally on our side. And from that time on, we were able to let go of all the legal intricacies that would otherwise have been involved.